In this video, we will learn how to create a simple ad hoc view and report in Advanced Reporting. First, we will need to ensure we are in a role with appropriate permissions to create a report in Advanced Reporting. Now we will navigate to Advanced Reporting by going to Reporting and Advanced Reporting. To proceed, we will select Create and then Ad hoc View. Now we will select the Analytics, and then we will click on Choose Data. Now we will select the data sources that we will use to create the ad hoc view. We will use the assignment data source. We can do this by double clicking it, clicking and dragging it, or selecting and clicking the right arrow to move it to the selected fields. Then we will click OK. Now we will have all of the available fields. We will select a few fields to create the ad hoc view. Let's start with course name. We can simply double click the desired field and add it to the column. Now we will add some user information. So let's select, we'll scroll down to the user subfolder, and we will add first name, last name, and email address. Now we will add a filter. We will use user status and filter for active. We right click and select create filter, and we will click apply to set the filter. Alright, so now let's find some assignment specific fields to add context to our report. We will add registration status, assignment date, completion status, and completion date. We can click the drop down and select sample data now, and now we can see what the report looks like. There we go. If we decide to reposition the fields, we can simply click them and drag them to the new desired spot in the report. And you can see that happens on the fly. Let's say we only want to see the enrolled assignments. We can create another filter, and this time we're going to use registration status by right-clicking and selecting Create Filter. We will select Enrolled as a status, and then we will click Apply. For more information regarding filter options, see the linked videos below. Now that we have the report the way that we want it, we can save it by going to the floppy disk icon and selecting Save Ad Hoc View and Create Report. We will need to name both of them, and we'll call it Assignment Report, but the name can't be identical for both, so we'll need to make it slightly different on either side. So then we need to select a folder where they're going to be stored. So we'll just put them in the ad hoc folder, and then we can just click Save at the bottom. Now that the report is saved, we can choose to export the report as well. So to do this, we're going to go up to this little paper icon, and we're going to choose what we want to export. There's three options if you want to use Excel. So we have Excel, XLSX, and CSV. We're going to go ahead and choose CSV for this one. There we go. Alright, now that it's done exporting, we can open up our file, and we can see how the report will look. And with that, that's all of the basics for creating an ad hoc view and saving it while creating a report. Hope this has been helpful.